Do you know how to use Instagram stories for your business? In today's video, we'll share 4 tips for using Instagram stories to showcase your brand or yourself like a real pro. If you're seeking effective ways to increase your engagement, be more visible on the platform, or drive more traffic to your website and sell more products, this video will bring you one step closer to achieving all of these goals. Got your pen and paper ready? Alright then, let's dive in. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me here today for another episode of IQhashtags Instagram School. I'm Alex, a content specialist for IQhashtags, the most used Instagram hashtags and analytics tool designed to help you skyrocket your Instagram profile. Maybe you've enjoyed other videos from our channel and like to see more? Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we get to hang out every week. I'm sure that most of you know what Instagram stories are, but to quickly sum it up, a story is a format with vertical full-screen photos or videos complemented with interactive stickers, polls, text, and other graphic elements. Once published, stories disappear after 24 hours. It is a very addictive form of content because it's fast, fun, and very easy to engage with. How do we know that? There are some serious numbers to back up this statement. So let's surely talk about some facts and figures that show why you shouldn't be overlooking Instagram stories in your business marketing strategy these days. According to the internal Instagram data, over 500 million people use Instagram stories every day. That is a huge number and many opportunities to interact with your audience. Almost 4 million businesses advertise on stories every month. 58% of people say they have become more interested in a brand or product after seeing it in stories, and 50% of people have visited a website to buy product or service as a result of seeing it in stories. As you can see, it is a very high-performing form of content that resonates with people, often due to its raw and authentic nature, and should become part of your business communication right now if it hasn't just yet. Every marketer knows that a good story is crucial for every brand to thrive, and it's time for you to start building your own by following these 4 tips. Interactive stickers, polls, quizzes, or short questions in your stories are a fun way to engage with your community, and they take only a second to participate. It is a way easier form to generate engagement in your profile than your feed posts, and I will give you at least 3 reasons why they can benefit your business. Often people don't even need to comment on your stories to interact with them. Just the fact that they are watching your stories is already an interaction, but there are a couple of hacks you can use so they can engage even more. A simple poll game like this or that, or a question about your product like, would you like this dress back in stock, allows them to respond to you with only 1 click. Inviting your audience to join your brand story make them feel like they are part of the conversation and their opinion really matters to you. Any action taken on your stories through interactive stickers, quizzes, or polls says to the algorithm, okay, this guy connected with this profile, so he will probably like to see more of it. This is one of the signals for Instagram they use to start pushing your content higher in your followers' feeds, or in case of stories, at the beginning of the stories bar at the top of their screen. I'm sure you know how it works from your own experience. You open the app and first thing you see on your feed are mostly profiles you are genuinely interested in for whatever reason. You are more likely to engage with their content again because you've shown interest in what they do in the past. Instagram stories can help you to build this kind of connection with your audience, and these fun features can be very helpful to achieve that. Another benefit of using interactive stickers, polls, quizzes, or short questions in your stories is getting feedback from your audience to learn what they expect from your brand and what products or services they like the most. If you're a coffee roastery, you can create a poll for people to choose between Brazilian beans or Colombian beans. The results you'll get from a simple poll like this one can help you decide about your shop's product choices. If your audience prefers to drink Brazilian coffee, you can move a step further and ask them if they'd be interested in a brewing kit to make the best Brazilian coffee. If they are, you have just tested the waters before adding a new product to your offer and have a better idea if your audience will purchase it in the future. Now, a quick disclaimer before someone tells me that I'm a coffee fraud. I love coffee, but I don't know much about it, so if you're a coffee business or a coffee fanatic watching this right now, forgive my lack of knowledge in this area. This is all just an example for how to use stories to make better product choices for your brand from a Chemex owner. An important element of your stories that will work amazingly well with all the available features we just talked about are calls to action. Any content you create, whether it's a story or a feed post, you do it for a reason. Think about what is the goal you want to achieve with your next story, whether it's driving more website traffic, building some hype around the product launch, or building your mailing list. A call to action tells your customers what to do with the piece of information they just got from your story. So let's say you offer a discount code that's only available today. Use a clear call to action like get 20% off your next purchase. Go to the link in bio to claim your discount today. And yes, I did use a photo of myself and a flamingo for this example. You're welcome. Thanks to this short message, your audience will know exactly what you have to offer and what to do about it. If they are interested in your product, they will go to your link in bio and hopefully make a purchase. Some of you may have 10K followers and a swipe up feature, or already have access to link stickers, which should soon completely replace swipe up option and become available to everyone, no matter the followers count. Both options allow you to send your audience wherever you want directly from your stories. But please don't worry if you still haven't got any of these fancy features, because your link in bio is still a very effective way to achieve the same goals. And on that note, we just released a video on how to generate more website traffic with clickable links on Instagram, and if that's something interesting for you, I really recommend to head over there when we're done here. Another way to showcase your business like a pro with Instagram stories is to use video content. I think we can all agree that video format is the future of content marketing and will never go away. So I'm not even sorry that this is like 1,000th time you hear this. And before you go all nervous about it, please don't worry. There is still space for other formats on Instagram like carousels, graphics, photography, and you don't need to completely pivot to video content. If you want to know why, we've also made a video about it. However, many businesses implemented videos into their content strategies, and they will continue doing so because they are more engaging and attention-grabbing than text or images. And in the era of a short attention span, this is a huge thing. Transparency and authenticity, especially in video forms, are a huge emerging trend not only for creators but also for businesses. So don't be afraid to show your real side. Start a live and talk about your products. Tell people about your brand's journey, how much work you put into every single product, how much you care about your clients, and how you can help them to solve their problems. It's time to invite your followers backstage and tell them, hey, this is what we are all about. Instagram stories is a fast environment, and if you want your viewers to take action, the first few seconds of your story should be the most engaging. Facebook data confirms that top-performing ads integrate branding and key messages at the start to achieve best results. Try to place the most important elements like your logo, product, and a key message in the first 3 seconds of your story. Pair your images with central placed text to make them pop up and draw attention. Play around with motion in your videos, or use music and voiceovers to make your stories a multi-dimensional experience for your viewers. That's it for today. Hopefully these 4 tips for using Instagram stories to showcase your business like a real pro have already made you feel like one. By following these tips, you'll turn your stories into a laid-back way to communicate with your audience and grow your business like never before. But before you head over to create the most amazing piece of content for your story, if you found this video helpful, we'll really appreciate if you let the YouTube algorithm know about it by hitting the like and subscribe button so we can reach and help more Instagram users. And if you'd like to get notified about our future videos, you should hit the bell button as well. We'll be back with more Instagram wisdom next Tuesday, but in the meantime, check out our blog and follow us on Instagram for more Instagram news and trends, helping you to grow a powerful Instagram profile. And as always, I will see you in the next one.